Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Leo? Leo, what's going on? Seven of Cups, Five of Wands, King of Wands, and Six of Pentacles. Lot of confusion, lot of drama is going right now in your relationship, Leo. I think you are taking your control back. You want to stand by your power, and there is no equal give and take in this connection. And for some, this person is toxic for you. The devil energy is here, very, very dark energy. And you are going through some spiritual awakening, some transformation. After that, maybe you are taking your control back. Definitely a lot of drama and a lot of confusion. For some, they always giving you false hope. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. Definitely they treated you as an option, or they ghosted you suddenly without saying anything. So Five of Pentacles. That's why then you decided to cut off this person from your life. Queen of Swords energy, you were in past. Then you are taking your control back. You set boundaries to them. But at the same time, they started spying on you. Maybe you spying on them, but in my view, they are spying on you. A lot of spying is going online. Because you cut them off from your life, that's why they started spying on you. And children's also involved in this connection. Then present, Three of Cups, Empress, and Chariot. Lots of you are involved in third party situation here. Family could be the issue, friends involved, or other man or other woman could be the issue here. But you are now your power, Leo, because the Empress energy you are in. So you don't care about anyone, because in past maybe you are emotionally addicted to your person, but now you are free. So you started moving on from your person because you started letting go them. Then future, Two of Cups, Four of Swords, and Nine of Wands. So you are not opening up emotionally to anybody, because anyone. Nine of Wands energy, you are guarded up. And Four of Swords, you are taking care of yourself. You are doing meditation. You are taking rest. And Two of Cups. I think the love is mutual, but you have to do that. That's all. That's why you cut off that person from your life. For some, maybe a brand new person is entering in your life. That could be your soulmate. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person, current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Receptivity, Thunderblood, and conditioning. Definitely this person is toxic for you, very dominating, and they always saying you what to do, what not to do, that type of domination. Right now, they're realizing you both, they're going through some tower moment. Yeah, they're realizing your love. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Leo. Letting go, Eight of Cups, beyond illusion, and ordinariness, suppression, and courage. So right now your person feeling suppressed, feeling depressed, and ordinariness. So now they want to work on this relationship. They want to create something in this relationship, but I think you are guarded up. So they want to let go all the negative thoughts, all the disturbances between you and your person. So They want to come forward and make something, because beyond illusion, they want to do something, they want to put action, but you are not giving any chance to them, because you are now independent emotionally. But now they are thinking about to work on this relationship, because their emotions are running high. They are working on their self to come forward. So let's see their intentions. Leo. Yeah, they do love you. Sharing. They want to share their life with you, but they are at some crossroads. Two of Swords energy. They do love you. They want to offer stability to this connection, but they are juggling. Maybe they are at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but right now they can't. They are indecisive about to make decision right now. And Seven of Swords energy under the deck. I think politics. Definitely a person playing mind games with you for some. That's why you cut off this person from your life. Magician existence. Sometimes magician treated as a manipulator also. Definitely they are playing games, mind games with you. See, mind. So a lot of thinking is going in your person mind right now. Yeah, there is love, but at the same time there is something sneaky in this connection. I think they're playing with two women or with two men, that type of situation. They're always in and out of your life. There is no clarity. This is on and off connection. That's why you are focusing on yourself. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in the outcome. Adventure. Children's also involved in this connection, and Four of Pentacles, the Miser. I think they are not expressing their feelings. They are always juggling. And they want success. They want a reunion, and patience is the key. Definitely they are waiting for right time. They are not expressing their feelings. Maybe they are feeling that this is not a right time. That's why they are not expressing. Your person is also at some crossroads. Maybe that is the reason they are not expressing their feelings. But in future they will, because they want success in this connection. And lots of your in twin flame journey. Yeah, they're dreaming about you a lot, Leo. Lot of dreaming. Six of Cups, thinking about you a lot. Maybe one person in this connection could be going through legal issues. Justice. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra. You are taking your control back. You decided to cut off this person from your life completely. Even though they're coming back for second chances, yes, you are taking your control back. I think you are not going to give another chance to your person, according to me, but it's up to you. So let's see mutual. I think you both are thinking there is some communication as clarity is coming, and I think what I'm getting here, you are ready. You decided to cut off this person from your life, but they're thinking about you. Once you're gone, they started realizing you both. Lot of trust issues, lot of thinking is going between both of you, and they're thinking about to come forward with an apology. Leo. So let's see some messages from your person in through the channel. Passion. I think a lot of passion. They are very, very passionate about you. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Friendship. For some, maybe they're putting in friendship zone. They're not giving clarity about commitment or marriage. Free yourself and trust issues. So, free yourself and trust issues. So, let's see some messages from Moon. Moon Oracle deck. Emotions are running high, super moon. So if your emotions are running high, especially when super moon is going, do meditation. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. It's your reading and it's your energy, Leo energy. So never show your attitude or pride to anyone. This causes a lot of damage. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.